We take health from the sun as granted. The June 21 powerful solar eclipse is a chance to pray for the same sun that can repair all our organs. Sun that is the best friend and guide. Sun listens to all. Would be worth to send prayers for the sun during the eclipse. Full of reverence and gratitude, intense prayers. You know why people avoid eating food during the solar eclipse? And this is all the more necessary in the COVID-19 pandemic time. In the absence of sunlight, as the moon obstructs the light of the sun, bacteria gets active and will harm the body. Many researchers and doctors advise not to eat food or even cook that time. Many households refrain from cooking or don't even drink water or go outdoors. During a solar eclipse, the magnetic fields and UV rays are high. Thus, our metabolism and digestion becomes weak. The anti-infective, antiviral, antibacterial rays would go missing for a few hours. But yes, the sun's corona, the outermost part of the sun's atmosphere, would remarkably appear in the ring of fire. COVID-19 would not go away with it, as some people say. Soap and water and hand sanitizing and social distancing alone will continue to help. We solar healers, thanks to our mentor Naran S. Balakumar, sir, know that healings can be done anytime before sunset. The eclipse time is a time to pray for the supreme divine force that sustains life and cures, for it to keep shining long for us sinners and innocent alike. Praying for the sun, the supreme power, would be the best cause during the eclipse we could create. Gratitude to the sun divine force. It heals and restores everything. Do contact for solar healings, hope and prayers for humanity to get health from the divine sun.